Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about how to make decluttering fast and easy. Today, when you get your planner out and you look to see what you have to declutter, if you're watching this as a current video, you have to declutter your master bedroom. That's the zone we're in. So to make it fast and easy, you know which 15 minutes you're going to work in. You go into your room not thirsty, not hungry, you don't have to go to the bathroom, and you've got your children plugged into something. Not necessarily television, could be quiet time playing. And you go in your room and you follow your plan. I am going to declutter X. You sit down, you don't run around, you keep your feet nailed to the floor. You've got your 3 containers, throw away, put away, give away. Before you even start, you have all of that set up. Maybe you have on some music, you set your timer, and you start. I don't need this, I don't use this, I don't love this, and it's in bad repair, garbage. I love this, I don't need it, but I love it and I use it, so I'm going to keep it. I don't love this, but I need it because it's the only one of these I have, and it's until I get a new one, I've got to keep that. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. You're going to go through it, and then when your 15 minutes is up, bing, you stop, put your hands down, close the drawer, whatever. Put away the things that need to be put away, throw away the things that need to be thrown away, give away by putting in the back of your car right now the things that need to be given away. This will make decluttering fast and easy. Have a great day.